Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have our 2022 Kia Carnival S, stock reference number 5767. This shape runs from the 10th month 2020 and is the current shape. It has a D4HE 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. D4HE 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the bonnet, which has no damage, radiator grille, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left power door mirror, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate has no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear sliding door no damage, right front door no damage, right guard no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.